Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So Jamaica, and today we are going to be bringing to my front of my hair. We're actually making box braids look like you just got them too. So I have some braiding hair. That I'm going to be using. It's clean breeze, free stretch, and it's 50 inches. Using this to braid the front of my hair. We're done. I blame. But before we get into the video, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos and give me more ideas. And the next video will be on Monday, where it's my birthday. Come and get my birthday. So let's get into the video. So first, we're going to be separating my hair, where we're going to be braiding this box braid. So we're just going to be doing the front. We're going to be using Design Essentials. This is my edge control, and I was trying to show y'all what I wanted you guys to use, but if gel don't work in your hair, because this is work good too. So we're just going to the small elastics. Place the balloon. Going to get your hair. That means this is the hair. This is how the first braid turned out, and I'm going to show you how I do the rest. Very easy, straightforward. And I'm just going to do the next one. It's 3. Separate this one into 3. 1, 2, 3. because it's a special occasion coming up, so this is gonna be my background for like special occasions. Let me just do that here. So we got 2 braids down. I just prefer to use the edge control here. The edge control is named, just in case you didn't see. This is the name of the edge control. This is the top for the edge control. And it comes in a gray container. And so if you want to use that, if you plan to do box braids, you can use that. So I finished with that one, so now I'm going to do the 4th one. Now I'm just going to show you it blends in with the rest. Could you tell that my whole hand did not just get through? Could you tell? Now it's time for the other side. So yeah, but you really can't tell the difference. You really can't tell the difference. If you're still watching this video, comment May because it's the best month of the year. Comment May in the comment box, and whoever type May 1st, well, not May 1st, but like if you type May 1st in the comments, you are going to get shout out in the next video. And yeah, so what I'm going to be doing in quarantine is I'm going to be taking photos. But I'm going to be taking photos and you'll see when I see. You'll see when you see it. Okay? You'll see when you see it. But it's I'm not wearing a dress anymore. I'll be wearing a bumper. And my braid's going to be out. And I'm probably going to show you how I'm going to style it. And I got a crown. I got a silver crown. And yeah, that's basically. Oh, and I'm gonna order pizza because my birthday falls on a Monday. Quarantine. We are in our country, in the Bahamas. Quarantine. You can't go outside. I mean, you can go outside, but you can't like drive around and stuff while it's the weekend, because we can't quarantine, you can't go driving around or anything, you can't go to the store, you gotta get your stuff before that day. So I'm glad, I'm grateful that my birthday falls on a Monday instead of a day when I can't go out, you know. I'm forever grateful for that, and I'm just grateful that I get to see another birthday. So guys, this is the finished this is the finished look. I made my hair over to the front, and you can't really notice that I did it over. I mean, you can't really notice that that the back is day old, like a couple days braids, couple weeks braids. So if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And the next video you see is going to be my birthday video, or the day before my birthday, because it's 48 hours before my birthday. So I'm trying to keep the times. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to type May if you're, make sure you're the first person to type May so you can get a shout out on my next video. And we're out. This is so Jameka signing out, and that's period. Bye.